Hey guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and a special thanks to Maddie for giving me permission to send this video over to you guys. Listen, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy down there in Mobile. I just wanted to kind of just take the time to break down some tips and tricks and how to become more relevant online, right, for you guys. I do work with 3 other service masters, one out of Texas, one out of New Mexico, and another out of Colorado. And I do know that your web hosting service is Scorpion, but I also understand that sometimes other companies do need some help, especially in the area of getting the business out there. And the only reason I found you guys is because I noticed that you weren't on the first page of Google or in the map pack in the mobile area, right? So I kind of just wanted to break down these tips for you guys. Maybe you guys can show this to Scorpion, and it can get you guys up there, right, ranked. So you guys are getting more phone calls. Considering you guys are a national brand, you guys should be #1 in the area there in Mobile. So I'm just going to break this down for you. There's 3 things that I'm going to talk to you guys about today, okay? So the first one's going to be content. Secondly is backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, first things first, if I'm completely honest with you, the first thing that caught my eye was this not secure up here, okay? Now, this can make you guys liable for a lot of different hacks and some some dangerous things, okay? So I would highly recommend your web hosting service that to get this secured down, okay? Because if someone's going to be paying, especially on this website, for bills or something like that, I don't know if you guys offer that. I would hate for any of that information to be breached, okay? Now, secondly, I do like this little animation here. I think it's super awesome. And I was also, clicking some links here and there, right, making sure that everything worked out, checked out fine. Also, you had this Google error here, so I would recommend that you guys actually get that fixed sooner rather than later. That would help you guys out a lot as well. But Google cares more about content than anything else, right? So they care about the words on the page and the relevancy of the words on the page, okay? So if I were to copy everything that you guys have on here and I would put it on my word counter, let me clear this out really quick. Let's paste it, see how many words you're at. So you're at 763 words, okay? So a really authoritative website, right? Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay, on the homepage alone. Now, seeing that you guys are at 763, I would recommend, even if you guys wanted to get over that 1,000 word mark, that would greatly increase your visibility, okay, in Mobile. Now, what I mean by visibility is up here, right, in the map pack, and then down here, right? So I don't see ServiceMaster anywhere here on the first page, which is kind of a big deal considering you guys are a national brand. I know this is a different one here. Upping that word content would definitely help you guys out a lot, okay? Now, secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks and referring domains. Now, referring domains are just the number of times, or I should say the number of websites that are linking to you, okay? And before I go on any further, this tool is called Hrefs. Just kind of peels back the curtain and allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background, okay? And there are other tools out there that you can use that are completely free. And it'll show you kind of what I'm seeing here, okay? So there are 129 websites that are linking to you, and they're doing so 438 times. Okay, that's what the backlinks means. Okay, now you have 64 keywords on your website, total, and then you're basically getting around, on average, 45 people to visit your website per month, bringing you a total of $19 in traffic value. So I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competition there in Mobile. And it's OxyFresh, okay? Now, these guys are carpet cleaning and restoration. So as you can see here, they only have 10 referring domains. They only have 18 backlinks. So you're outdoing them there, okay? Now, the only problem I see here is they're getting more traffic than you guys are, okay? So basically what this means is that they're getting more people to see their website per month. And look at their traffic value. They're at $1,600. Basically, what that tells me is that you're leaving a lot of money on the table for OxyFresh to take, okay? And the reason, or I should say how they're doing that, is the quality of their backlinks, okay? So if they're local to the Mobile area, if their backlinks are more local than yours, then they're obviously getting seen more than you guys are, okay? Obviously, I know ServiceMaster is a national brand, and they try and help their franchisees as much as possible. But getting local backlinks and referring domains is more. It'll boost up your visibility in Mobile, right? So I would highly recommend that you guys do the research and see exactly where these guys are getting their power and their traffic from, so that you guys can use it yourself and you guys can be number one in the area. Considering you guys have a lot more backlinks and referring domains, just getting those local ones would definitely push you guys up over the top and get you guys to the top there in Mobile, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? And that would be your business name, your address, and your phone number, right? In a directory. In a directory, you know, obviously they're like yellow pages, white pages. You got Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yelp, right? That's another directory. And then there are also local directories to Mobile, right? And you could be like, you know, the Mobile Chamber of Commerce, places like that, right? If you were to just put your business name and address and phone number on there, that would help you get up here in the map pack. And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I typically don't go down here to the third or fourth page of Google to find what I'm looking for. I usually trust the map pack because it tends to answer my question more, right? And it's more relevant to exactly what I'm looking for. So with that being said, right, so if Phoenix Restoration Services has anywhere between 50 and 100 different citations, then you would want to one-up them and ensure that you're up to like 150 to 200, just to ensure that you're constantly taking this number one spot. You're getting most of the calls. You're getting, you know, all of or I should say most of the business. Considering that we are headed into a recession, it would benefit you to get up here in this top spot of this map pack, okay, and also the top spot on the organic listing. With that being said, right, there's you can do there are two options that you can take, okay. Excuse me, I've had my morning coffee and I'm just tripping over my words right now. There are two options that you can take, right? So the first one, right, would be to get all this information, review it, and, you know, use it yourself, right? Showing it to Scorpion and telling them like, hey, this is what I want, you know, this is what we need, things like that. If you're looking to outsource help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me. As I said, I am helping, you know, 3 other ServiceMasters down here in the Four Corners area, actually achieving great results, putting them on the first page here, bringing them great results, bringing them more clients, and essentially, you know, holding that the business during the slow months. So if you're looking to outsource help in any way, please just reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you, okay? Again, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate, you know, you guys watching this video. Again, a special thanks to Maddie for giving me permission to give you guys this information. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.